Welcome back to Ife's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 4 effective drinks that will help to increase your blood count, red blood cell, increase your hemoglobin level. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to make this drink. So to make the first drink, you will need fresh beetroot, apple, spinach. You can decide to add lemon or orange. So I'm start by peeling the beetroot. Beetroots are a great source of essential nutrients like vitamin C, iron, potassium, magnesium, and so many other nutrients. So when I'm done peeling the beetroot, I will set aside. Apple provides antioxidants that help to reduce the oxidation of fat, keep the blood vessel healthy. It will also add sweetness to this drink. So I'm going to cut the apple, remove the apple seed and core, then set aside. I'll be making use of a handful of spinach. I've already washed it. Spinach contains antioxidants and vitamin K. They will help to improve blood flow and pressure by relaxing the blood vessels. So I'm going to be adding the spinach into the blender. So I'll be adding all the ingredients into the blender. When I'm done adding them, I'm going to add water. You can decide to use orange juice or add lemon juice. Lemon juice or orange juice will be so good because they contain vitamin C, which will help better absorption of iron. Then I'm going to blend this until smooth. So when I'm done blending this, I'm going to use a sieve to sieve to get the juice. You can skip straining this if you want to enjoy the high fiber content of this drink. You can drink this if you want to naturally improve your blood level, increase your hemoglobin level, increase your iron level, and this drink will help to regenerate red blood cells and also nourish your body.
So for the second
drink, this will help to cleanse your blood and increase blood flow. So for this drink, I'll be making use of beetroot. I'm going to peel it. Beetroot contains fiber, potassium, and some other nutrients, which will help to improve digestion, keep our blood vessel healthy. It is good for our skin. So when I'm done peeling the beetroot, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. So another ingredient I'll be using is hibiscus. I'm going to wash it to remove any dirty. Hibiscus will help to boost your immunity, prevent cell damage. It is also good. Metals are also rich in so many nutrients like vitamin C and iron. Washing it, I'm going to add it into a cup, add warm water and allow it to infuse. Carrot is a good source of vitamin C. I'm also going to be using garlic, ginger, lemon. You can choose to use lemon or orange. I'll start by squeezing the lemon to get the lemon juice. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C, which will help for a better absorption of iron. So I'm going to strain to get the hibiscus tea. I'll be adding the cut carrot into the blender, add the garlic, ginger. Garlic is so good for this drink because it is rich in sulfur, which will help to support blood health. It will also help to improve blood circulation. I'll also add the cut beetroot. So I'm going to be adding the lemon juice and also add the hibiscus tea. Then cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the juice. So with all the ingredients added in this drink, it will help to detoxify, cleanse, prevent cell damage, and also help to improve your blood health. Take 1 cup of this on empty stomach in the morning. You will see a great change. So to make the third drink, it will help to detoxify and improve your blood health. I'll be using spinach, beetroot, turmeric, black pepper and lemon. I'll start by squeezing the lemon to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C to help to aid digestion and boost our immunity. So for the beetroot, I've already washed the beetroot. I'm going to peel and cut the beetroot into smaller pieces for easy blending. So I'm going to be using fresh turmeric. Feel free to use the powdered turmeric. I'll cut it into smaller pieces. Turmeric is blood purifier. I'll also add a handful of spinach which I've already washed. I'll start by adding black pepper. Black pepper contains pepperine which will help to enhance the absorption of curcumin. So black pepper is essential for this. I'll add all the ingredients, add the lemon juice, add water, cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, you can sieve to get the juice, or you can skip this method if you want to enjoy the high fiber content of this drink. You can enjoy 1 cup of this drink on empty stomach before meal. This will help to purify, detoxify, and also speed up your metabolism and increase blood count. So for the last drink, this drink contains ingredients that will help to improve your blood count, increase your hemoglobin level. We'll be making use of promogate. I'm going to cut it and remove the seed of the promogate. A rich source of iron, vitamin A and C. It will help our body to absorb iron and also help to increase your hemoglobin level. I'll be making use of 2 oranges which I'm going to squeeze to get the orange juice. Orange contains vitamin C which will help for better absorption of iron. I'll be using 1 beet which I'm going to peel and cut into smaller pieces. Beetroot is rich in fiber, iron, potassium, vitamin C which will help to reactivating red blood cells and improve blood flow. So I'll be using 1 apple which I'm going to cut and remove the apple seed and core. When I'm done cutting the apple, I'm going to add all the ingredients into the blender, add the orange juice, add into the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the juice. This is a simple and easy drink that you can make at home because they are rich in vitamin C, folic acid, iron, and so many other nutrients. Take this drink to promote blood flow, increase iron level, and also to increase your hemoglobin level. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.